Good morning, everyone. My name is Vibha, and I'm a member of. Good morning. Good morning. My name is Vibha, and I'm a member of Youth Services through Cultural Arts, or YSTCA. Since our inception in 2012, YSTCA has organized cultural events each year to raise funds for deserving local nonprofit organizations. A couple of years ago, we chose a meaningful theme to serve seniors by visiting the centers where they live, giving them opportunity to enjoy Indian cultural arts through music and dance. To give you a little background about who we are, Youth Services through Cultural Arts is a group of high school students, each serving 2-year terms. We come from various regions in the Bay Area and go to different high schools, and music is the uniting bond that brought us all together. We are currently a 10-member team, and 3 of us are here today. We are thrilled to be the current executive team leading this initiative. This year, we are excited to work towards 2 goals. Firstly, we are raising funds for the Carnatic Chamber Concerts, or CCC. The mission of CCC is to enrich the Bay Area community by promoting Indian classical or Carnatic music and its many benefits through engaging musical experiences. By offering a platform for young artists to showcase their talents, CCC aims to highlight how learning and practicing music can enhance academic skills, develop physical coordination, and cultivate vital social skills. This initiative fosters discipline and patience while boosting self-esteem and confidence among participants. Secondly, we continue our commitment to serve seniors by visiting various senior and retirement communities where we entertain them with soulful Indian music and dance. Our goal is to create joy and connection through the beauty of cultural arts, enriching the lives of both our performers and the seniors we serve. If you would like to support our cause, we are happy to accept any donation you may offer at the end of the event. Before we start off today's program, I would like to thank Ms. Cook and Sunny View Retirement Committee for hosting us and allowing us to connect with you through the beauty of Indian cultural arts. In today's program, we're excited to present to you a form of Indian classical dance called Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms originating from the southern part of India. This dance style is recognized for its unique characteristics, including a fixed upper torso, bent legs, and knees flexed in a position known as Raimandi. The dance is a beautiful combination of intricate footwork and a rich vocabulary of sign languages that utilizes gestures of the hands, eyes, and facial expressions to convey a story. We invite you to immerse yourselves in the grace and artistry of Bharatanatyam as our performers showcase this magnificent dance form. Without any further delay, we will kick off today's program with performances by the talented students of Srimati Nayana Shenoy of Shivam Dance School. Students performing for you today are Mehta Indavarapu and Lakshmi Ranjan. Please join us in welcoming them.
Namaste and good morning to you all. My name is Lakshanya and this is Mehta. And on behalf of Shivam School of Dance, we would like to thank YSTCA for giving us this opportunity. Right now, we will be performing Ganesha Pancharatnam in praise of Lord Ganesha.
नायकैकनायकं विनाशिते भटैत्यकं कथाशुभाशुभाशकं यथैकनायकं विनाशिते भटैत्यकं ददाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरादिभीकरं नवोदिकाशभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं लताधिकापदुद्धरं न तेतरादिभीकरं नवोदिकाशभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं लताधिकापदुद्धरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गणेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं समाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्सपक्षरं समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्सपक्षरं कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशकरं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोऽस्ति भाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वशर्वणम् अकिञ्चनातिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोऽस्ति भाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वशर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयाविभूषणं कपालदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् भजे पुराणवारणम् हितान्तकान्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तरीरमादराय शङ्करं नितान्तकान्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तरीरमादराय शङ्करं कृतकरेणिरङ्करं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकं तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सङ्कटं कृतकरेणिरङ्करं वसन्तमेव योगिनां तमेकं तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सङ्कटम्
Indavarapu and Lakshmi Ranjit performing. Let's once again welcome Kirti Kalluri and Sudhiti Kedampati.
Sa sari taku sari kita saka sajam sari sakata sakajam sari sakati sajam sari sakajam sari sakanam sari sakarum sari sajam sakajam satita siddhagatum satita siddhagatum satita siddhagatum
all of them.
Hi everyone, my name is Pranaya and I am also one of the youth leaders. Something I just wanted to mention is that all of the performers today are born and brought up in the Bay Area. So it truly shows their perseverance and determination to be able to learn a classical Indian art form and to be able to connect with their culture. Thank you so much everyone for coming today and just learning this brilliant art form.
A heartfelt thank you to Srimati Naina Shenoy for her time, effort, and mentorship in helping these performers bring their talents to the stage. We will now have the next set of performers, students of Srimati Maithili Kumar of Abhinaya Dance Company. The performers are Aruna Bhargav, Prarthana Shankar, and Sanketa Rangan.
Hi everyone, hope everyone is having a wonderful time enjoying all the performances, seeing all the beautiful girls dance and follow the traditions. And I would like to introduce the students who are going to perform next. The students are from Abhinaya Dance Company. Our guru is Srimati Maithili Kumar. We are from Cupertino. The school is located in Cupertino. And we are also very happy and excited to share that Abhinaya will be celebrating another great milestone this year. We will be celebrating our 45th anniversary this year, which is, I think, is a great milestone. So we are excited as we are excited to celebrate the milestone, we are also excited to come here and perform, and hope everyone enjoys it. And today the students would be performing for the song called Swagatam Krishna. The students are Aruna Bhargav, Prarthana Shankar, and Sanketa Rangan. And thank you YSTCA for this great opportunity, and hope everyone enjoys the show. Thank you.
Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Eka Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna Eka Swagatam Krishna Sharanagatam Krishna
Applause. Let's take a moment to warmly thank Srimati Maithili Kumar for her incredible guidance and dedication in preparing these talented performers to shine on stage.
Yes. I would also like to mention how Bharatanatyam is just one more of the performing classical arts that takes so many years to master, and for them to be able to come here and perform today, it not only took years of practice, but also for this 10-minute performance, probably hours and hours of classes and practice on their own. So we just want to thank the students and their teachers again, and all of you for sitting here and appreciating their performance. Before we conclude with one last performance, we would request that all the dancers stay till the end for a photo. Thank you.
We conclude the program with a solo performance from Sai Lakshmi Rao, a student of Srimati Radhika Giri. Please give her a big round of applause to welcome her.
Hi everyone, I'm Sai Lakshmi. Today I'll be performing Jaya Jaya Durga, a piece dedicated to Goddess Durga. I'd also like to thank the YSTCA and Sunnyview for giving me the opportunity to perform.
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा शिवा क्षमा जय जय दुर्गे 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 सुंदरतर चरणारविंदे सुख परिभावित लोक दुर्गे चितवैरी दुर्गे जय जय दुर्गे चितवैरी दुर्गे सरसमणि नूपुर संगत सरसमणि नूपुर संगत पागे समर्गता सांग वेदे सरसमणि नूपुर संगत पागे सरसमणि संगत नंदनुते निखिलानंद अनुदय लय सच्चिदानंद आलोक मणिमय आटंक धरिके अनुदय लय सच्चिदानंद आलोक मणिमय आटंक धरिके नाना रूपादि काल साधनिके नारायण तीर्थ भाविक बलके नाना रूपादि साधनिके नारायण तीर्थ भाविक बलके नाना रूपादि काल साधनिके नारायण सोदरी जय जय दुर्गे विजय जय जय दुर्गे जय दुर्गे
A sincere thank you to Srimati Radhika Giri for her dedication and guidance in preparing Sai Lakshmi. That was an incredible performance.
now we will have 3 students from the Abhinaya school to talk about the different parts of their outfit and explain the cultural significance of them.
Prarthana, I'm a student here at Abhinaya Dance Company in San Jose. I'm here to talk to you about. I'm here to talk to you guys about the makeup. So we wear kajal to help express. So when you like show our eyes really boldly, it like helps with expression. Okay. The makeup really helps with expressions when you're dancing, and that's one of the main parts of Bharatanatyam. That's also one of my favorites.
Hi, I'm Arna. I'm a student at Abhinaya Dance Company. I'm going to talk about our costumes. So the one that I'm wearing is a skirt, and we have a blouse, and this is called a davani or pagu. And I have a skirt here, but some of the other dancers, as you can see, have a pant. And I have, all the costumes have a mini fan and a butt piece. To practice, we wear something called a practice sari, which is a big cloth where you pleat it around your waist and drape it over your shoulder.
Hi, I'm Sanketa Rangan from Abhinaya Dance Company, and I'm talking about the jewelry. So first, we have this thing here called a neti chutti, and you hang it over your head. And we have a necklace. There are some smaller necklaces like a choker, but you can also wear a longer necklace that goes like this. And we also have our belt, which comes in many different designs. And lastly, we all wear golasa, which is these things which are also known as bells, that when you tap, it makes like a little sound. And lastly, we have our bangles, which we wear on our wrists.
Thank you so much for that informative demonstration. We hope you all enjoyed the performances. Thank you for providing us with this opportunity to share our passion for music and dance, and for spending this wonderful hour with us. A special thanks to Miss Cook, Miss Caroline, Mr. David, and Sunnyview Retirement Community for hosting us and allowing us to connect with you through the beauty of Indian cultural arts. Please let us know if any of you wish to donate for the cause we are supporting this year. Any amount is appreciated. Thank you all and have a delightful afternoon.
My name is Padma Mohan, and I'm the mentor for this group called Youth Services Through Cultural Arts. I just wanted to take a brief moment to appreciate the time and efforts these young students who are in high school put together to organize events like these at various senior centers. The team has been doing it since last year. We started doing this in 2023, but this particular team started doing this last year, and we have done actually once before in this same retirements community by another set of students earlier. I would like to introduce the team to you guys. This is Vibha Raghavendran. She is a 10th grader. She goes to a Cupertino school. And this is Pranaya Rishi. She is a junior now, rising senior, who will be very busy with college apps and stuff. Her name is Pranaya Rishi. By the way, this girl learns vocal music from a teacher in India, a professional musician, Srimati Vasudha Ravi in India. And this girl learns vocal music from a local teacher in San Jose, Shri Hari Devnath, and she also learns to play the veena. It's a stringed instrument, South Indian instrument, and she's a Vainika too. A person who plays the veena is called a Vainika. So she is like, I'm just juggling, a sophomore year in high school and a junior year in high school, and putting time and effort to organize events, coordinating with various dance schools, asking them if they are available to perform on a specific day, coordinating with the center. It takes a lot of time and commitment, and I sincerely appreciate them for their time. And this is another youth leader who is part of YSTCA, Youth Services Through Cultural Arts, and this is Prayag Bharat. Come here, Prayag. And he is also a junior now. Sophomore, rising junior. He's a sophomore now, and he goes to a school in San Jose too. These kids are all like, they go to different high schools, learn music from different teachers. He's also a percussionist, he's a vocalist, as well as a percussionist. He plays the mridangam. If you guys, if you are interested, we can work with your center coordinator to have them do a performance themselves. All of these are musically inclined, multi-talented musicians, but instead of showcasing themselves, they invited other students to come and showcase their learning and art form, which is really commendable, and I would like them to perform for you all once to kind of share their talents as well. And we thank you all. We hope you enjoyed the presentation these students put together. Let's give these students a warm appreciative applause. Thank you kids for all that you do, and I'm very proud of you all, and thank you all for staying through, encouraging. And as they are in high school, all the performers, or many of them are in high school either, please come here students. We seek all your elders. It's in our Indian tradition that we seek elders' blessings for being successful in life, and we take this opportunity to seek all of your blessings for them to succeed in anything that they venture into. Thank you so much.
As the dancers set up for the photo, I would just like to thank Padma Aunty one more time for giving all of us youth leaders this opportunity to be able to organize and set up performances like this. Because as you may know, it's not often that high school students will even have the opportunity to do anything of this sort. So thank you to Padma Aunty again, and thank you to all of you guys for staying here and appreciating this cultural art form. And I hope we have instilled a love for Carnatic music in you guys today. And if anyone has any questions after, all the youth leaders and I'm sure some of the dancers will be happy to answer them. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Just